Hi, and welcome back to Skrach. Today we're going to make a macaroni salad. If you like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For the salad, we'll need 8 ounces of macaroni noodles, 4 sweet gherkins, 2 stalks of celery, 2 large eggs, half of a red bell pepper, and half of a red onion. For the dressing, we'll need 3/4 cups of mayonnaise, a 1/4 cup of sour cream, 2 tablespoons of sweet pickle juice, a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, a tablespoon of sugar, a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, a half teaspoon pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. We'll start by rinsing and drying our celery. Then, we'll place 2 eggs in a medium saucepan and cover them with about 2 inches of water. And fill a large pot half full of water for the macaroni. Once we've filled our pots with water, we'll place them both on the stovetop over high heat and bring them to a boil. While we're waiting on our water to boil, we'll go ahead and make our macaroni salad dressing. We'll whisk together 3/4 cups of mayonnaise, a 1/4 cup of sour cream, 2 tablespoons of sweet pickle juice taken from our gherkin jar, a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, a tablespoon of sugar, a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, a half teaspoon of pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and garlic powder, and whisk them together until well combined. After the water for our eggs has come to a boil, we'll remove it from the heat and allow the eggs to set for 15 minutes to cook. Then we'll add our 8 ounces of macaroni to our large pot and allow it to cook for 12 minutes. While the eggs and macaroni are cooking, we'll finely dice our gherkins, peel and finely dice our onion, core, seed, and finely dice our bell pepper. Cut the ends off of our celery and thinly slice them. Then we'll stir that into our dressing. It's been 12 minutes, and our macaroni should be done cooking. We'll remove it from the heat and rinse it in cold water in the sink, and allow the macaroni to drain. While the macaroni is draining, and after 15 minutes, we'll place our eggs in a bowl of ice water to cool them down and stop the cooking process. We'll allow our eggs to cool for about 5 to 10 minutes or until they're cool enough to handle. After our eggs have cooled, we'll crack them all over and peel them under running water. Once we've peeled our eggs, we'll finely dice them and fold in our eggs and macaroni until well combined. Then we'll allow this to chill in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours before serving. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.